Hey friends, how are you? We've all seen how oil splatters and pops in a deep fryer. Sometimes our lives can feel the same way, right? Stoicism gives us the strength to face these problems bravely. It's a wonderful way to live a peaceful and happy life.
Before we understand what Stoicism is, let me tell you a short story. There was a boy in a village. He would always worry about something or the other. One day, he saw a wise man and asked him, "Please tell me how to get rid of my worries." The wise man smiled and said, "Tie your worries in a cloth bag and leave it by the river." The boy went and left the bag by the river. After a while, the bag was floating away in the river. The wise man said, "Your worries are like that bag. If you hold on to them, they will weigh you down." That's what Stoicism is all about. It teaches us not to worry about things we can't control and to focus on what we can.
Okay, so what is in our control? Our thoughts, our actions, the words we speak, these are all within our control. We need to focus on what we can control. We need to keep our thoughts positive, do good deeds, and speak kindly to others. Our lives will definitely change for the better.
Sometimes, no matter how hard we try, things don't go our way. What can we do then? We can only accept what fate hands us. We should prepare better and try again next time.
We all wish for good things to happen. But in life, not everything goes as planned, does it? That's why we need to keep our minds prepared. Instead of being afraid of negative thoughts, think about what you would do if they actually happened. For example, let's say you're planning to open a new shop. What would you do if you faced losses? By thinking about the negatives in advance and without fear, we can develop the courage to face problems.
We all want to be happy, but we need to understand that there will be suffering in life. What is suffering? It could be illness, financial problems, relationship issues. In some way or another, we all experience suffering. So how do we deal with this suffering? We need to get used to enduring discomfort. We should practice discomfort in small things. For example, those who are used to drinking hot tea can try drinking cold tea one day. Try sleeping with a fan on. When we get used to discomfort in small things, we can easily handle bigger challenges.
We are all running towards some goal in our lives, but do we ever stop and think about what we are doing and why we are doing it? No. That's why we need to take some time every day to reflect on ourselves. Our actions, our thoughts, our words, are they right or wrong? Are we on the right path towards our goal? What changes do we need to make? We need to think about these things.
Our minds are always thinking about something. It could be about the past, or it could be about the future. But it's very important to bring our minds to the present moment, because our life is happening right now, in this present moment.
It's good to write down the day's events in a notebook. This helps us organize our thoughts and remember the good things.
Humans are social creatures. We all need each other to survive. It's important to have good friends and maintain relationships with our families.
There are many good things in our lives, so we should make it a habit to be thankful every day.
We are all a part of nature, so we should learn to live without destroying it.
Life is a long journey. We should keep learning new things.
So friends, try practicing these 12 Stoic tips every day. You'll see a big change in your life. Tell us about your experiences in the comments. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.